Hi, Paul Hobrough here from Venn and also Physiotherapy UK. I'm in our Life Plus clinic here in 19 Harley Street, and I've got the focus device again. And the reason for coming on to talk to you about this just now is that I've had some pretty bad golfer's elbow from associated treatment issues, and I had the focus on my tennis elbow, one treatment about 2 weeks ago, and I've not had a single problem with it since. So live today, I'm going to do a focus treatment on my own elbow here. And I want you to see that I'm using the standoff here so that I get the correct depth. And I'm going to start on the tissue just below the common flexor origin. So we press go, and I'm on 0.12, you can see the settings there, and 6 hertz. Now the point about this is that you have to move the head around. There we go, and now I can feel it. If I angle the head slightly, as I've shown you in a different post, I can't feel the treatment anymore. As I come up closer, I'm now at about 6 out of 10 on the pain scale. So I'm just going to hold it there. Now I've moved ever so slightly. There we go. And it's back on again. I just wanted to give you this as an indication as to how much patient feedback you need to be able to do this treatment. Just slipped off again. Now I'm there, straight back on it again. But I can't afford to move the head at all. So constant patient feedback is really, really important all the time to make sure you're on the spot. Now what I'm going to do is over the next 3 weeks is I'm going to do a treatment again, live on here, doing the focus Shockwave, and we're just going to see as a study of one how the results go. I'm shocked to bits as to how after just one session when we were out in Switzerland at the Storz branch, now I'm getting a little bit of radial nerve intervention there, so I'm just going to move slightly. Still sore, but there's no, I was doing that in my thumb. I just had the one session there as part of a training piece, and I've had no problems with that elbow at all. Subsequently, however, the medial aspects of my elbow, medial epicondylitis pain has been really very much a problem, and the last 2 or 3 nights have been kept awake with that. Now to give you an idea, I live in Northumberland, a place called Corbridge near Hexham, which is a little bit west of Newcastle, about 25 miles. And I left there at 4:30 this morning, and I've seen my first patient 8:20 in Harley Street. I'm then going back on a flight this evening because I've got a full caseload there tomorrow. So my life is pretty crazy, hence why I'm doing some self-treatment at the same time as hopefully doing a little bit of training out there for the people that want to get involved. That is so painful, that stuff that made now. And we're nearly there, just a few more clicks away. I've only been on 0.12 millijoules per millimetre squared, and I have to say that's been about as much as I can cope with pain-wise. So we'll see whether my pain tolerance goes up over the course of the next 2 weeks as we do 3 treatments. So I really hope that you're going to follow this and see what's happening somewhere. I promise I'll be completely honest. I've had relatively poor results with radial Shockwave, and the focus Shockwave has made such a big difference to my elbow. I'm quite sold, so I'm doing a study of one, and we'll talk about how the patients are getting on. So have fun with your Shockwave, and drop me a note if there's anything else you want me to cover. But that was focus Shockwave for medial epicondylitis. My name's been Paul Hobrough. It's been Venn Healthcare. I look forward to engaging with you online.